In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix anti-cheat is not installed on Fortnite. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. The first thing we want to do is to go open our file explorer, and we want to go to our Fortnite folder. So in my case, I have put my Fortnite folder in my local disk D. So you just want to find the Epic Games folder and go to your Fortnite folder. From here, you want to select Fortnite game. Now you want to go to binaries. Now Win64. From here, you can see this easy anti-cheat folder. You want to go here. And now we can see this exe file of our easy anti-cheat EOS setup. So what we want to do is to create a shortcut. So show more options, and you want to create shortcut. So as you can see, there's a shortcut here. What we want to do is to right click on the shortcut and go to properties. So here you can see this target section. So this is the name of the application. What we want to do is to just edit here and hit space and type repair. Now you want to click on apply and OK. So now you want to run this shortcut. You want to double click. And yes, if you see a black screen or a CMD appeared for just a second, it means that it has repaired your anti-cheat. So now you can run Fortnite with no problems. If you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.